Hello everyone, it's time to do a little development stream once again. Last time I did one of these dev streams was like over a year ago, I think. I don't do this very often because talking while working on something is very distracting to me, so it's not very efficient, but this time I want to set out to update one of my plugins. I already know what I'm going to add to it, and yeah, just gonna see if I can get some stuff done. Don't mind the camera setup, it's pretty weird. It's just I just put it to the side so you see sort of the side of me and my keyboard and stuff, but I don't really have a very good spot for a camera when I'm like this, but I don't want to put a camera in my face anyway. Right, I'm gonna play some music and hope the sound quality is gonna be okay, because it looks like my mic is like pushing the limiter and stuff, but we'll see. Doesn't matter all that much. So the plugin I'm updating now is it's now called HardcoreLightly, which is it's a Minecraft plugin in the programming language Haxe, and I've had a few feature requests on this plugin, mainly to add some sort of way to regain max health, because this plugin will reduce max health when you die. And I'm also going to rename the plugin to Hardcore Light, because that's just easier to remember and say. It's Hardcore Lightly is a pretty weird name, to be honest. So yeah, let's see. So the first thing I will do is add some config, like new config settings to add an item type that's gonna be able to so basically I'm gonna add like an item that the players can use to regain max health, and also revive players that have run out of health completely. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add a configuration key to add that item, so like the type of item, because I'm gonna try and make as much configurable as possible. So I'm gonna add an item type and recipe options, and of course how much health is gonna be regained, and let's see what else. Yeah, I think that's roughly it. So let's see. When I'm like gonna write code and stuff, I'm probably not gonna talk much because that's just distracting. Right. So we already have I think the first version of the plugin had just this option, and I since then already added all of these because someone on my Discord server requested this feature that allows you to regain max health by using an item. So I already made that for that person, but I never released that as an official update. But I'm gonna expand on that a little bit and then release that as an update. So let's see, we have, so this is gonna be item type. I need some sort of way to identify this item in the config. Like I need a name or something. Maybe just like what the key says. But I'll call it type because that's probably clearer. This is good, good enough. So right now I think it's just an item type, and there's no recipe. So I added these functions. Yeah, it's been a pretty long while since I worked on this, so I gotta read some stuff on like how it works. Ideally, this code base remains like understandable, like because it is open source and it's supposed to be sort of an example. And this is actually pretty bad practice, honestly, because I've got the behavior in this function that's only supposed to return whether it should be able to execute the behavior. So maybe I can change that. Well, what does this return? Well, okay, this sort of makes sense because I think the regular event has to be cancelled also when this when this item is being consumed. I think this is okay. I'm also going to identify this item by a bit of item lore. Actually, it's not necessary. Yeah, that's necessary because I'm adding a recipe as well. Yeah, the function I want to add probably shouldn't be in this class, but I don't really have a better place for it now. And I have GitHub Copilot that's like adding these suggestions as I type. It's really nice. There's also the chat function, but I'm thinking I should make some sort of util for this stuff. Or maybe like an adapter or something. Final. the plugin name. Some of these suggestions don't make sense because I guess Copilot doesn't understand Haxe all that well. What is this? It also doesn't understand my API all that well. That's caption. Required item name is a bit misleading, perhaps, as a like variable name here, because name refers to item type. It's not really what the item is named by player. I guess it, like, I don't think it has to check type necessarily, since checking lore is sufficient, I suppose. I do need the util thing. Alright. The check for lore should already be good now. I will add the other player thing later. The ability, I'm gonna add an ability to apply the item to a different player, but I'll do that later. Now I will add the crafting recipe for the item. I think I'm gonna add a configuration key for every potential item in the recipe, so the whole like crafting workbench grid, which is like 9 items. That's a very long key. Recipe item uplift, something like that. Wait. Yeah, I guess that's right. I don't want to use an array or something because that's just not as clear to the users, I guess, and this config file is an ini file which does not really support nesting, so like nesting would have been nice here, but it's what it is. I chose to use an ini file for this plugin because I want to keep this plugin simple, but I'm kind of already like past that advantage, I guess. Now something like that, mid. Like this is why Copilot is really nice. God, this looks awful, honestly. Maybe I'll create like accessor functions that are simpler to me. What is it suggesting? Okay, I don't want this to be nullable. Also, it can be a vector, I guess. It's always gonna be a fixed length. Is this gonna be inclusive? Probably. So that, I guess that would be 9. I guess I don't need this after all. Can I not inline this? That works. This is, again, really awful, honestly. Maybe I'll reconsider this at some point. Ah, shit. Okay. It's suggesting a pretty interesting recipe. All gold ingots and an emerald in the middle. I mean, I might just do that. But this is not exactly what I want. Because these are all optional, so I guess I'll only set a default recipe when there is no recipe. So let's see. I'll add a set function that's like this, similar. Okay, can I get some magical autocomplete? Okay, this is too sketchy. Well, does it matter? I guess it's fine. like it's sketchy because of the hard-coded indexes. I think I'll do a little loop, because this is always gonna have items. What the fuck is this? That's not what I want, but this is one of those cases where some functional programming would be very handy. There's not even filter on this. I'd have to do to array, I guess. Or I'll do it the old school way. There. And I do this ugly ass here we go. Oh, damn it. Totem. Last time it suggested an emerald. I feel like a totem of undying is I don't know, maybe that's fair. That's fine. I kind of hate this whole bit of code. I'm somewhat used to functional programming where I could just do a filter and then like some condition, and then like this could like be maybe all like reduced. I guess I could get rid of like 7 or so lines. I don't know. Whatever. Enchanted golden apple, emerald. Maybe we'll do the totem and gold nugget and maybe that's fine or whatever. Actually, I had someone suggest a recipe. Let's look at that. End crystal in the middle, diamond blocks in the corners, and the rest amethyst or something. Someone said that. But I think a end crystal is way too hard to get. A totem is also way too much, I think, honestly. I think I'm gonna go with emerald. Although, you know, the thing with emerald is, it's like once you have like you can get like a villager farm or whatever, and then you would have unlimited hearts. So let's just keep a totem in there. Okay. Now I gotta register this recipe at the start and at the util here. Get name, yes. Nope. That's it. Now we register. Let's register the recipe here, I guess. It's always going to be a shaped recipe, just to keep it simple and like give the user the most options, I guess. Because if it's a shapeless recipe, there's only so much you can do. Because I don't know. I guess you can do just about as much, but a shaped recipe just makes more sense most of the time. Let's see. This has been a while. Oh wait, I have to wait. Why does it say shapeless? Oh, I'm doing the wrong thing here. There. What the hell is it doing? This is like Spigot's suggestions. Oh, now it's changed again. Yeah, I need to put 3 rows, so I need the variable first. The recipe. Can just simply do again so horribly ugly. Does this need anything else? Oh, the result item, that would be let me just reformat this a bit. It's a good suggestion to use the util here. That would be something like that. We'll make that function now. That's not what I want. do I do this again? I need an item factory, I think. I forgot which kind of factory exactly. Item factory. Wait, is there... Shouldn't there be multiple? Alright, that's probably what I need. According to this. Constructing item factory, that's what it is. This shouldn't be all caps. Now I need the config. It's just, yeah, it just suggested it. No, I don't think we need that. That's fine. What's up? Oh, I forgot. It would be cool to give this item a glowing effect, like it would be enchanted, but not really give it an enchantment. But I don't think I have the API for that. So we'll just have this. Maybe I should not make the type totem of undying. The thing is, if you craft this item, it's still gonna function as the vanilla item, as well as the HardcoreLightly version, so it's always going to keep its vanilla behavior because that's just how Minecraft plugins work. So ideally I would use a type that has no use. But I can't really think of anything, so let's just leave it like this. Okay, now we should have the recipe in the config and have it registered, and I think it would also work when doing this. I mean this. My camera is like a black void again. Okay, since I think this all will work out, I will probably add the feature to be able to use it on other players. So I'm gonna make it so that when a player renames the item that's crafted from this recipe, when they rename it to a player's name, it will do its effect on that player if that player is online. I'm thinking there should also be a way to remove this name. I don't know if that's possible. That might be something I have to work around somehow. Or maybe not. Maybe it's just you just screwed up if you do that. So to do this, okay, this player object, I just need a different player object for that to work. So that should be pretty simple then. I'll just make a function to look for a player with the item's name and just use that instead of this. That should be it should be the display name, because that's the one that players can rename. And if that doesn't exist, we'll do that. I'm not gonna bother making this hold on. Should I make this a variable? I think so. Just to make it more readable. There's no performance benefit in making this a variable because the Haxe loader would cache it. There. No, this might get muted. The song. There, that should be. Yeah, well, this doesn't work. Alright, let's skip this song for now. I did I've heard that song live actually one time. It's a really beautiful song. Not not the live version that was just playing, but sometime in 2017. This is annoying. Is there a map? No, I think I need reduce for that, which is not standard. So we'll just do this. I'm actually surprised how good some of these suggestions are, even on my my Haxe Minecraft API. I feel like Copilot might be using AI with updated knowledge to like current year, because if that's the case, it might know that my API exists at all. Hold on. Players. I should not do this actually. I don't know if Haxe allows this. You know what? Let's do this for one world only, so it's, well, actually no, that would be silly. This should be private. It's a shame Haxe does not allow this sort of thing for final variables, because I'm only really assigning it once, but just not on one line. Now I have to do something else, like like this. This works. This is basically the same thing. But this is, I don't find this as readable, because it's like a lot in a small amount of space. This song might also get muted. Now I need this game. Variable. The problem I often encounter making plugins is that constructors get really big, and that can be overcome by making more classes that contain some of these objects, but like it's never really that obvious to fix this. Like I could reduce the message builder and game into, and maybe even the config into an instance of this. But then like you have this dependency that you don't really need, but it's just for readability. But for parameters, it's like okay, I guess. There. Now this player is nullable, so let's make that explicit, I guess. I like to mark things as nullable explicitly when I know they are nullable. Let's see this. Okay. So now when you use this on a different player, that player will get the title message saying you restored so many hearts, but I want to add a message to the using player, like the giver, so they know they've given the item to the other player. That's like a confirmation. Let's see. So let's rename this actually to receiving player. I think that's how you spell it. So yeah, let's add that here, I guess. It should not be null in this case because this function checks for null. So it's not the. Let's do this. Let's not do that. Oh man, this song is a throwback into the radius for me. This is like a different version of it. It's pretty neat. Okay, so in this case we want to notify the giving player, which is I'm gonna make that a variable. So these are definitely both not null, because this one is from the event and this one has been checked for null in this function. What do we call this function? This is a pretty long function name. Just reorganizing this a little bit. Okay, now we can, let's see, this message builder. Yeah, we can use that probably. Probably need to extract some stuff from this. That is annoying. Coupled code moment. Right, let's just strip this down to whatever, to what I need here. So we remove this. I don't want to have this calculation scattered over multiple functions either. Oh boy, I did some funny thing here. Okay. Health should be a float, I think. Look at that. Copilot knows what I'm trying to do. So we should be able to get rid of that. No. Just that. Well. This is annoying. Because now we have this, but it's still like doing the max twice. Oh, that's not necessary. Gonna inline that. Well, that doesn't matter, it's still doing it twice. I doubt the code is gonna get more readable after all this. I could do a little debug thing in here. Okay, we don't need the current in there, so that's good. And I think this is fine. Oops. Do that. So now they're all like smaller functions, which is good. Now I can make this function, I think. Was the notify in there before? Yes. Why does that actually return a boolean? Okay, whatever. I don't really want to return that even. Just doesn't make sense. Or does it? I use subtitle. Ooh, but I also gotta add the actual revive functionality still. I'm not gonna add it in here, but gotta add it. Oh, you know what? This is not correct either, because it's gonna try and take the item from the same player that is gonna get healed. That means even more functions. Yay. Alright, use equipment because the player is supposed to hold that item. Yeah, that should still make sense. Now I probably shouldn't use. Hold on. Wait. I don't use this. Interesting. What's this? I just want to check what I use this item object for. Doesn't look like I use it. No, wow, that's weird. There. I think this will do for now. I don't know if healed is the right word in this case, because you're increasing the max health, but I think it's fine for now. Okay. Heal a player, receiving player, remove item from giving. That makes more sense. Although I need to check for game mode here as well to do the revive. Survival, right? I'm thinking maybe use the game mode of the giving player, but I kind of want to just assume I want to assume survival is the right one in any case. Oh, also gotta move the player. Teleport. What? That wasn't. There. Let's go with healing. What the fuck happened here? What happened here? What the hell? Coordinates? Yes. Seriously, what happened? All my code is messed up. What? Makes no sense. Set game mode. Condition. There. Cool. It's starting to make sense, I think. Damn it. Okay, have I got everything? Did I forget anything? I'm almost kind of tempted to make a function just for this, to check if a player is spectator because of the hard-coded string. That says something about my API, I guess. But the reason it's with strings is because I don't wanna have like, what's it called? Like early binding or whatever to an enum, like to fixed game modes that exist in the game. I want it to be like laid bound, like decoupled from the game modes that may exist. I think I got everything. I probably should add some debug statements if I'm gonna test this. Like that. That should be the name. Can just throw the object in there. I mean, that wouldn't look very readable. Doesn't really matter the player name, or does it? Let's keep it in there. Okay, I think everything, well, at least in some cases, has a debug statement. I should reorder this like that. This cast has no effects. What do you mean? What's the cast? Sub-expressions. I've never seen this. Maybe I need to add a check. I'm wondering whether this is gonna work when no item is given, which should be null or empty string, but I think it should ignore the item in either case. I can actually make this a little neater, like that. I used to uppercase in this one. Should probably keep that consistent. And here I used lowercase again. Well, this is set, so that should be fine. And double quotes, well, I'm trying to use single quotes nowadays because that has a neat feature with using variables within a string. Oof, lol. What is this? Test command. I wonder if this is in the plugin. Yeah. What is this? What is this command? It's probably not registered. this should just be the same. It should be fine. Same goes for this, although I don't know if yeah, okay, it doesn't set there, so that should work. Yeah, that should just get updated. Okay, well, I guess I can test everything. Let me check my to-do list for this update. I should add a something when you've renamed the item and the player doesn't exist, so receiving player is null. Damn it. Do I even check? Oh, yes. So if the player is null, it should tell the giving player that they can only use that when both are online. What? There. Something like that. That was a song. I like to listen to this calm sort of ambient music when working, when like programming and like working and stuff. So there's a lot of music like this in my likes lately, and used to be more other kinds of music, but I still like the music I always liked. This ideally this would be a function as well, but it's so small and not reused. I might as well leave it like this. This is still readable enough, I think. Okay, let's recheck my list. Let's see. Before I set the game mode, I think I should do this, so they won't die instantly. And this teleport should be, ideally that would be the location that the item was used on to, instead of the player location. But yeah, I don't know. Exact player location is safer though, so let's keep that. It's a very minor difference anyway. And I think with that should be good, and I should go and test this, but I think I will do that later. Let's see if it builds. Yeah, this is because I renamed the plugin, that's fine. That is a warning, that's fine. And that's it. Okay, so that worked. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna try and see if I can test this real quick. I need to update Spigot. Is 1.20.2 the latest version? Let's see. Yes. I already had a 1.20.2 server, but Spigot has a new version anyway. It's good to stay up to date. Let's see if this works. Oh, you can see the command line sort of in my camera, which is way too dark anyway. Alright, now we have the latest version. Alright, let's see what it says. Couldn't load. Oh yeah, it can't load the config.ini because it doesn't exist yet. So that's expected. It registered the recipe as expected. Let's look at the config file. Also, the fact that I renamed the plugin causes no issues so far. I did think about the fact that it's still capital H and L, so the command prefix stays the same. Okay, we have all the old and new config options. It just looks really messy with all the long keys. So it's not ideal. It's like, it's nice when like you have like 5 or so options, but now there's like more than 10, so it gets messy very fast, especially with these repetitive keys like I have. I can open it in here. There, this is what it looks like. It has some weird coloring in this editor. I also just noticed that there's no line 16, so it's not very friendly for tools that depend on an empty line. So that might be something to fix at some point, maybe. Right. So using this totem of undying that's crafted with this recipe will restore 5 hearts, so that's 10 HP for the nerds out there. And you cannot restore more than 10 hearts, so you cannot restore more than 20 HP. And you lose 1 heart, which is 2 HP, when you die 1 time. That's how it should all work. So let me start up Minecraft. Hello, the stream crashed. It should be back now. I tried to open a thing to capture the Minecraft window, and then it just crashed it when I tried that. I hope it saved all the changes I made. I think it did. Hello? Okay, so apparently I can't do a game capture. So I'll try display capture, I guess. Hello? Ah, shit. Okay, so apparently shut up. Oh my god. Okay. Well, let's just try this way. So the plugin works, at least it's loaded. Let's try the crafting recipe. Okay, this is not the right this is not the right behavior. It's trying to use the workbench. So that means something is probably wrong. This is probably an empty string then. If that's true, then it probably set to, it went here and then returned null and then it did this. So yeah, I guess this is a fix. Alright, I think I'll try and recompile. Alright, here we are again. So all the things you see in my chat here are just values that are available in the event. That's just for debugging purposes. So let's try this recipe. Okay, you can't stack those. So if I use this, alright, it won't trigger because there's no lore. Let's try. Okay, this doesn't work. That's good. Okay, that works. And this looks good. It works as expected. Now if I use it, well, I already have 10 hearts, so it should tell me that I can't use it, or no, it won't tell me, but it just shouldn't use it. Alright. That looks good. So I can try if I die once. It says health reduction 1, max health 20. You lost 1 heart. And now this thing is going to restore 5 hearts, but I only lost 1, so if I use it now it will, or it should, restore 1 heart. Okay, it worked, but it says 0. So what it said there is Let's call it something. Okay, here we go. It says the player you are trying to revive test is not online. That is what I expected. Let's see what happens if I rename it to myself. 0 hearts restored. Okay. There was no message saying that I restored, or like that I healed me. This one. Oh right, because it doesn't pass this check. So it will actually just work the same way as not renaming it. That's good. So it's just the number in the notification that's not correct, and I don't right now have another player to test like the revive or the heal other function, but I guess I'll test that later. Oh, I get it. It should do the notification before the healing happens, because that's why the calculation is off in this function. So this is an easy fix for that, and I think that's good enough. I'm not gonna make it more complicated than it has to be. Okay, so let's recompile this one more time and check if it works. That's not what I want. That one. That should not give me anything. I should probably add a message in that case. Something like that. Your myself. What the heck is happening here? Get display name on null. Okay. So now, okay, so it won't always be this is, I think this is fine. Like I hate strings that are either empty or null. I just want one clear value. Wait, it shouldn't even... Direction shouldn't even be valid in that case. Items. I think that will do. Oh shit. Creeper moment. And I'm dead. Now this should restore 1 heart. Yes, and it says that. Doesn't say the thing. Probably because the interaction is invalid now. No, wait, it shouldn't be. What? Did I forget to reload? There's no exception. There's also no message. It says correct item and valid. It also doesn't say this debug thing. Oh. That's the wrong condition. Should have been here. Shit. Because now if it does work, it will tell me the thing incorrectly. Yeah. There we go. Your max health cannot be increased any further. I think that's everything then. Alright. Alright, everything seems to work now. The only thing I can't really test is the heal, alter, and revive. But I think this will do for this stream. I will I don't know, I will release this update probably sometime soon, and I will probably stream again, I don't know when, but the next stream will probably be Into the Radius again, which I look forward to play again. So yeah, thanks for watching and hope to see you some other time. Bye bye.